Well, what we got here today is this is a Delta table saw. It weighs probably 350 pounds because the table on it there on the top is all cast. So there's this stand on it right now, but it's not nearly heavy enough. You look at it there, it's got a slight bow in the top there because it's just not strong enough. So what we're doing is we're going to build a new one. We got some 1.5 by 1 inch there to make for the main frame on it that goes along there. And then we got some heavier wheels for it because those ones actually squat that they're so light. We got the bandsaw here set up on a 20-degree angle, and this is our base piece. And what the angle is for is it's going to come along here, and then that angle is here, and then we'll weld the piece on the end of there to make our handles. Well, we're making progress. We got our frame here. Got all our stuff. We got our holes drilled in her. All our plates welded in. Well, we're moving on to getting where our legs mount on here. And what we've done is we've cut these pieces of metal here and we've drilled holes through them for the axle and for the bolt that will hold the legs. And what we're going to do is our legs, we're going to have them fold down like this, and then we're going to have a piece of 1-inch box tubing here on the back side of it that we're going to weld in here. It's going to get cut off here, and that'll be what holds our leg, and then we'll put a pin in right here on the front side as close to this as we can get it to hold our leg. We got our welding rod bent here a little bit, and what we're doing that for is so we can get down inside of here and weld along the edges down in there. So a very handy thing to do is bend your welding rod so you can keep a decent angle when you're down inside of there. Well, we got her all welded up here. And we're just cleaning her off right now with some crud cutter, cleaner degreaser to get all the oil residue and stuff. We got her all built and installed here, and we'll give you a little demo on how she works. We got our wheels down here on the bottom so we can tip it up and roll it around. And then take our pin up here that holds our legs in.